Bonnie Furlong, and I'm going to compare and contrast the three main types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. All blood vessels are tube-shaped organs that carry blood throughout the body. They all have distinct layers, but they differ in histological structure. The walls of the arteries and the veins are composed of three layers called tunics. The tunic, here's the tunic interna. This lines the inside of the vessel and is exposed to the blood. It consists of simple squamous epithelium, and it's called the endothelium. Then you have the tunica media. It's the middle layer, and it's usually the thickest. It consists of smooth muscle, collagen, and in some cases elastic tissue. Then the outermost layer is the tunica externa. It consists of loose connective tissue that often merges with that of neighboring blood vessels, nerves, and other organs. The capillaries are different in that they only have two of these layers. They have the endothelium and then the basement membrane. The sizes, they each have three different sizes, gradient sizes, from the largest conducting artery, like the aorta, to the largest veins that measure in 10 millimeters, to the smallest capillary that is so small that an erythrocyte has to become elongated to squeeze through it. The third thing that I wanted to compare and contrast is blood direction. Arteries are the efferent vessels of the cardiovascular system. That is, they take blood away from the heart. Veins are the afferent vessels that carry the blood back to the heart. And capillaries connect the smallest arteries, the arterioles, to the venules. Conducting arteries are the largest, and an example would be the aorta in the pulmonary trunk. Next in size is the distributing arteries that takes blood to the organs. And the smallest arteries are called the arterioles, and they form the capillaries. The capillaries are found at exchange sites between blood and then the surrounding tissue. Their job is to exchange gases, nutrients, and waste products. They are at the halfway points of the circulatory routes. They form web-like networks called beds, and they connect the arterioles to the venules. The venules then carry the blood from the capillary bed back to the heart. Venules form even bigger veins when they merge into larger areas, and this is the medium veins. The medium veins form and make even larger veins that include the inferior vena cava and the pulmonary veins that go into the heart, or in the heart. The blood vessels are the same in that they're tube-shaped organs that distribute blood. They have distinct layers and that they have gradient sizes. They're different in their histological structure, the direction that they carry the blood, and the sizes can differ greatly from the largest artery, like the aorta, to the smallest capillary that can barely squeeze through a red blood cell. Thank you so much.